Hello everyone, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video, we're going to share the work that finished in the Hyundai i30 2015 and this one 2015 generation, between the 2012 and 2017. The car comes with the standard radio before, which removed before it come to our shop, and as of now is fully fit with the 7-inch premium setup and wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. But for the premium selection, and we already successfully connect the steering wheel control, connect the USB and extra USB, factory USB, and connect the high definition anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera at the back end, adjust everything and tune up. So currently the sound from the head unit system combine and boost up the speaker in the car. So with amplifier inside our premium head unit, it boosts up the sound very nice. So have a look at this. That is the reverse camera, and you can see how clear and how sharp it is. Very usual with our camera, and it instantly works like that, and it comes back to wireless Android Auto screen in the front. So everything is working beautiful, like factory fit. Actually we fit it nice everywhere, perfect, very perfect into the place. No gap, no ugly looking, nothing, everything aligned together, all the direction, and it's fit perfectly into the position here, matching the dust cover and matching to all the little ash. So definitely the very best looking one. So the steering wheel control here, all of those buttons connect well into our system, and we also connect and assign a button here for the phone answer on the screen. So everything is beautiful and ready to go. We collect very soon. So on the screen you're seeing this turn on for the night driving mode, and the system automatically dim the screen to make it for easy night driving. So if you like the video, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for that, and we'll see you on the next one.